This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word dame, in the middle of the word ladder, at the end of the word odd, and at the beginning and end of the word did. In English, we make this sound with the tongue behind the teeth here. So let's practice. Listen and repeat. Dame, ladder, odd, did. Okay. You may find it difficult to hear the difference between this voiced sound that you hear at the beginning of the word dame and its voiceless partner that you hear at the beginning of the word tame. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiced sound first. Dame, tame, doom, tomb, meddle, metal, herd, hurt. Did you hear the difference? You might be able to see the difference. Look. Dame, tame, dame, tame. In English, we say the sound at the beginning of the word tame with a big puff of air. Look. Dame, tame. Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Dame, tame, doom, tomb, meddle, metal, herd, hurt. Okay.
Two A. To, do. Sent, send. Cart, card. Write, ride. Train, drain. Trunk, drunk. To be.
Do, to, do, to, do.
Sent, sent. Send, sent, send.
Card, card, card. Cart, cart.
Write, ride, write, ride, ride.
Drain, drain, train, train, drain.
Drunk, trunk, drunk, drunk, trunk. To see. You too? You do? You sent the emails? You send the emails? Is the red cart hers? Is the red card hers? Can he write well? Can he ride well? Does this train smell? Does this drain smell? Is there a trunk outside? Is there a drunk outside?
3B. A damaged telephone line.
Hello, this is 22882228.
Hello, Daisy. This is David.
Oh, hi, darling.
What did you do yesterday, Daisy? You forgot our date, didn't you?
Well, it rained all day, David, and I had a bad cold, so I, decided to stay at home.
Did you? I phoned 20 times and nobody answered.
Oh, the telephone line was damaged. They repaired it today.
Well, Daisy.
What, David?
Oh, don't worry about it. What did, Donald do yesterday? Did he and Diane go dancing?
No, they didn't yesterday. They just stayed at home and played cards.
And what did you do? Did you play cards too?
No. Jordan and I listened to the radio and, studied. What did you do yesterday, David?
I've just told you, Daisy. I tried to phone you 20 times.